Foshan Nanhai Yuhua Hardware Products Limited Corporation, founded in 2009, is one of the advanced stainless steel enterprises in Foshan. Our company still insists on quality first, active innovation, and keeping pace with the times. We have passed ISO 9001 certification and SEDEX certification, obtained 10 patent certificates, and become a national high-tech enterprise. The company have modern processing workshop, advanced and complete processing equipment. Our company specializes in the production of various series of stainless steel metal tubes, including furniture tubes, kitchenware tubes, medical equipment tubes, fluid tubes, gas tubes, decoration tubes. It has reached the international level in terms of production technology, quality, output and market development. Over the past decade, our company has experienced the turbulence of the times, social changes and the evolution of science and technology. Strict quality control is performed in every procedure from material sourcing, processing, and testing to packaging. We guarantees to meet and exceed all customers' expectations through competitive price, high-quality products and timely delivery. Welcome customers from all over the world. Visit our website, and inform us if you have any needs. We are looking forward to give you good services. We sincerely hope to establish long-term relationship with you.